Hello friends, myself Ramesh Chandra, and having a physics problem for students who are preparing for IIT JEE Advanced and seeking All India rank in between 1 and 1000. The problem series name is Concept Delta Plus, or this is Delta Increment in your knowledge. We will have topmost problem in near future, and this is my first physics problem. So subscribe our channel if you wish to learn such kind of problem in near future, and press the bell to get notification first. Here's the first problem, problem number 1 on relative speed. Let's read this problem. Aeroplane A and B are flying with constant velocity. This is aeroplane A and this is aeroplane B, and flying with constant velocity in the same vertical plane. This is same vertical plane at angle 30 degree and 60 degree with respect to the horizontal respectively, as shown in figure. This is horizontal and this is making 30 degree and this is making 60 degree with horizontal. The speed of A is 100 root 3. This constant speed is 100 root 3 meter per second. At time t equal to 0, an observer in A finds B at a distance of 500 meter. So at initial time, A is at 500 meter apart from observer B. This observer sees B moving with a constant velocity perpendicular to the line of motion of A. If at t equal to t naught, A just escaped being hit by B. After some time t naught, they find that A just escaped being hit by B. Then t naught in seconds, we need to find the time t naught. The level of this problem that I have decided is 5 out of 10. Let's understand the problem. Here is the situation. This is the line of movement of plane A and this is the line of movement of plane B. And at time t equal to 0, A is not at this place, but this is at this place. Since it is saying that at t equal to 0, A is observing that B is moving perpendicular toward the line of action. So A must be at this place. Let's see their movement. Let's watch it again. This is their movement. So answer to this question is 5 units. You can solve it your own as well. Here is the first solution. We have two solutions for this question. Here you can observe that 100 root 3 meter per second is the speed of aeroplane A, and this is the 500 meter that is given in the question, and aeroplane B is on this line. A is at this place and its speed is 100 root 3 meter per second, and aeroplane B is at this place, and let's say this is moving with a speed VB in this direction. Now as per the observer A, it is watching that plane B is moving toward him at 90 degree angle. So this will happen only if its component along this is angle 60 degrees, so this angle become 30 degree, and component of BB along this is, that is BB cos 30, and component of BB along this line is BB sin 30. So A will see that B will move toward A at 90 degree only if this velocity component become equal to 100 root 3 meter per second. That is VB cos 30 must be equal to 100 root 3 meter per second. This implies BB cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 100 root 3, and this implies velocity of B or speed of B is 200 meter per second along this line. Now it is given that after time t naught they will just hit. So after t naught time, this velocity component will traverse 500 meter distance. So this implies VB sine 30 into t naught, that become equal to 500, and BV is 200 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, and t naught is equal to 500. So you can see that t naught is equal to, this will get cancel out, 100, 500 divided by 100, that is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So 5 seconds is answer for this question. Let's have another solution for the same question. So here is solution number 2. At t equal to 0, aeroplane A is at this point and aeroplane B is at this point. After time t naught, aeroplane A will traverse this distance, that is 100 root 3 t naught, and aeroplane B, that is moving with VV speed, will traverse a distance VB t naught, and this is the distance 500 meter. Since this is 30-degree angle and this is 90, so this angle will become 60 degree. This will also be of 60 degree. This is 60, this is 90, hence this angle become 30 degree. Now as per sine rule apply on a triangle. So 100 root 3 t naught, 100 root 3 t naught upon the angle corresponding to this is 60. So this is sine 60 is equal to 500 upon sine 30 corresponding angle is equal to VB t naught upon sine 90 degree. So you can observe here sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 will cancel out and this become 200. This become 200 t naught equals 500 sine 30 is half. So this become 1000 is equal to VV t naught, and sine 90 is 1 upon 1. So from here you can directly get t naught as 1000 upon 200, and this is equal to 5 seconds. Even if you wish to get VV, then you can get the velocity of B by using this relation, that is 1000 equals VV into 5. So VV is equal to 200 meter per second. So our aim was to find the t naught time, and that is 5 seconds. Please subscribe our channel since it motivates us to have similar kind of problem in near future.